What do you do it for? What are you running for? What are you running to?
Hi guys, my name is Candice, also go by Confidant Candy. If you're new here, thank you for choosing me to watch. If you have subscribed, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to meditate for beginners. If you would like to know more, keep watching. What is meditation? Meditation is a mindfulness practice. It is the art of focusing on your breathing, letting your thoughts come and go as they may, tuning into yourself, and it has so many benefits. It helps to improve your concentration and focus. It relieves anxiety and depression when done over a consistent time. It helps you become more aware of your body, and it heightens your senses. There are many different types of meditation. Body scan meditation is one of them. That is where you focus on your body. You close your eyes, you tune in, you focus on different parts of your body. If there's any feelings or sensations in a particular part of the body, you focus on that. But you go with your breathing. Your breathing really is a staple throughout all the different types of meditation. Mindfulness meditation is whereby you focus on your thoughts. You do not judge them, you simply observe them and let them come and go. Mantra meditation is the art of using repetitive sounds while you practice deep breathing. Sounds such as Om. People may find it easier to do mantra meditation as you're focusing on the sounds and the sounds that you are making, whereby mindfulness, you're focusing on your breathing. Thoughts may arise and it might distract you, but if you feel that happening, just return to your breathing. Visualization meditation is where you close your eyes and you focus on positive things. You have positive images. For example, your goals, your dreams. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? What is your dream house? What does it look like? Think of every detail. What is your dream car? What does the interior look like? How are you going to feel once you finally achieve your goal of getting your dream car? It's very positive, it's very uplifting. People use visualization as a form of self-care as well. And you can do it, just sitting in your bed, thinking of positive thoughts, thinking of next holiday you want to go on. You can write it down. People have vision boards, which is also a form of visualization, whereby you're actually doing it manually in front of you. You can do it on apps such as Canva. I have done a vision board on Canva before. It was pretty easy. Loads of self-care books discuss visualization and why it is important to incorporate into your daily routine. If you have goals, you want to constantly think of the goals, you want to raise your vibrations, you want to attract the goals into your life. And that's a whole different subject about law of attraction. I can get into that in another video if you like, but that is the aim of visualization, attracting positive experiences and positive thoughts into your life. Now I'm going to show you guys how to meditate. Let's go to the floor. You can't see, guys, but I'm sitting on my bedroom floor. Firstly, you want to find a quiet space where you will not be disturbed. You want to get into a comfortable position. You can either lie on your bed, sit on your bedroom floor like I'm doing in a cross-legged position. You can sit on a chair, on a pillow if you choose to, whatever makes you feel comfortable and whatever is a comfortable position to sit in or lay in for a period of time. Then you want to close your eyes and focus on your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale. There you have it, meditation. Like I said, if your thoughts come and go, let them come and go, observe them. But if you find yourself getting distracted by your thoughts, then just focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale. Say it to yourself if you find yourself getting distracted. I would say try to aim for 30 seconds to a minute to start off with. Once you continue to practice, you can meditate over a longer period of time. People can meditate for 20 minutes. I personally meditate for 5 minutes a day. Maybe even 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes in the evening. I do find that it has helped tremendously with my anxiety, and I definitely recommend adding meditation to your daily routine. Some people prefer to pray. That is also another section of meditation, praying to your gods and saying things over and over again like I love God and stuff like that. That's a different type of meditation. I've never used that technique, therefore I can't really talk about it in detail, but the other ones I have used so far. And I would definitely say that meditation is key to quieten your mind and remaining focused and becoming more in tune to your body, what you need mentally and physically. So thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.